Upgrading to dual flush or composting toilets in new home construction is one of the most effective ways to cut water use and enable off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Choose an Environmental Protection Agency WaterSense dual flush toilet for standard plumbing because it gives 2 flush volumes that reduce potable water waste while fitting most new construction drain lines. For off-grid projects, consider a high-efficiency macerating toilet coupled with a holding tank if gravity drainage is not possible, or select a certified composting toilet that separates liquids from solids and uses ventilation and microbial action to stabilize waste. Size the composting unit to household use by following manufacturer guidance, which typically means a larger chamber or duo system for families where turnover time matters. Ensure venting uses dedicated vents to the exterior and includes low-noise fans if installed inside occupied spaces, and root vents above rooflines to prevent odors and maintain aerobic conditions. Establish a clear maintenance schedule with checklists. Inspect seals monthly, empty liquid reservoirs every 1 to 3 months depending on use, and rotate or rest composting chambers according to the manufacturer timeline to ensure complete decomposition. Always coordinate toilet selection with septic system or municipality because some local codes restrict composting systems or require specific hookups for macerators and dual flush valves. People often underestimate local code and permitting requirements, which can stop an installation. Solve this by consulting the building department early, submitting manufacturer specifications, and requesting written acceptance before rough plumbing. Another common issue is poor ventilation and odor control in composting installations, which is fixed by dedicated external vents, a correctly sized fan, and keeping moisture balance by following the recommended carbon to moisture ratios or adding bulking materials. A third frequent mistake is choosing a toilet that is incompatible with existing septic or gray water arrangements. Prevent that by coordinating with your septic designer or plumber and selecting units rated for septic compatibility or adding pre-treatment where required. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like sustainable toilet upgrades so we can find local professionals and share project notes. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users exchange real-world tips on installations, code interactions, and maintenance practices.